You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this plant or this tree, better known in English as the pink trumpet tree. And that's a name from South America, Central America, and Mexico, also Argentina. The Spanish pronunciation, Pau. Yes, the U is pronounced like an U. Pau d'Arco. Pau d'Arco would be the Spanish pronunciation. Therefore, in English, it's rather simply pronounced as Pau d'Arco. Pau d'Arco. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.